Hi friends, in the last session we have started learning iterative statements, right? So in the last session completely we have focused on printing sum of numbers present inside a list using for loop. Okay, if we give some list, okay, in the list whatever the elements it should print the sum of that numbers, okay, using for loop. Okay, anyway I will explain with respect to while loop also this one. Okay, and we observed that in the last session range data type and for loop. So for loop means if we want to execute some action for every element present in some sequence, then we should go for loop. Okay, now the second one is what is there? While loop. Okay, the second one is while loop. Okay, now we have to focus on the while loop concept. While loop is nothing but if we want to execute, okay, if you want to execute a group of statements, okay, if you want to execute group of statements repeatedly, okay, if you want to execute group of statements repeatedly or iteratively, not iteration, iteratively, until some condition is false, okay, until some condition is false. If you want to execute a group of statements repeatedly, okay, repeatedly or iteratively until some condition is false, then we should go for while loop. Then we should go for while loop. Okay, if you want to execute a group of statements iteratively or repeatedly, okay, iteratively or repeatedly until some condition is false, then we should go for while loop. So coming to the syntax, okay, coming to the syntax means while condition, okay, condition while condition next body, okay, whatever information you want to print, that one we have to take in this way, while condition body. So this is the while loop. Okay, there is difference between for loop and while loop, I will explain that one also. Okay, first observe what is a while loop. Okay, if you want to execute a group of statements repeatedly or iteratively until some condition is false, then we should go for while loop. Okay, now my first program is print program to print. Okay, program to print program to print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, program to print 1 to 10 numbers using while loop. Okay, program to print 1 to 10 numbers using while loop. Okay, program to print 1 to 10 numbers using while loop. Okay, observe the requirement first. Print 1 to 10 numbers using while loop. Okay, by using this syntax we need to print 1 to 10 numbers. Now this is our target. Okay, now observe carefully, in front of you only I am writing. Okay, programming is not rocket science, just it's a blindly we can write. Okay, see, print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, I need to print 1 to 10 numbers. Print 1 to 10 numbers means first what I will do, I need to start the number from 1. Okay, I need to start the number from 1 means I am declaring 1, x is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 1. Now I want to start with that number. Next what I am doing means I need to stop where 10. Okay, until some condition. Okay, while x less than or equal to 10. Okay, until some condition. Okay, when this condition is true, keep on repeats. When this condition is false, that time it should stop. While x less than or equal to 10, so I need to print the value of x that time. Okay, simply by using this we can do, but don't underestimate this three lines of code. It's not going to print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10, because here just I'm checking the condition printing. Okay, if I execute this one, it is going to do print 1 infinity times. Okay, there is no end for this. If you want, observe here once. See, if you observe the blank, it one is blinking every time. Okay, one is blinking every time because one is not stopping. It is nothing but infinite loops. Okay, it is nothing but infinite loops. Okay, I'm stopping here. See, now what I'm doing, x plus equal to 1. Okay, x plus equal to 1 means incrementing by 1. Okay, x plus equal to 1 means increment by 1. So this is nothing but increment by 1, increment by 1, and it is nothing but compound assignment operator. Compound assignment operator. Okay, now observe here. First let me explain. Okay, let me explain the tracing, then I will come to the scenario. Okay, now this is our code. Okay, this is our code. Now we want to do tracing. Okay, now observe here. See, first started from 1. Okay, first started from 1. First it is going to check 1 less than or equal to 10. Okay, 1 less than or equal to 10 means condition is true. When condition is true, so here first it is going to print 1. When 1 is printing x, here what it is doing, 1 incrementing. Okay, now the value of x will be 2. Okay, when the value of x will be 2, from here it is going to here condition check when 2 less than or equal to 10. Okay, when 2 less than or equal to 10, when 2 less than or equal to 10 means true. When it is true, it will come to here. Okay, this time it is going to print the value of x will be 2. When value printing x, now it is going to here. Okay, now here x value will be increment by 1 one more time. So 2 increments by 3. Okay, now when it is became 3, so here it goes to here one more time. So here what it will do, it's going to check 3 less than or equal to 10. Okay, 3 less than or equal to 10. So 3 less than or equal to 10 means condition is true. When this condition is true, it comes to here. Okay, it comes to here, and it's going to print in the next line 3. So when completed 3, again it comes to here. Okay, here what is doing, x is incrementing. So now 3 increment by 1 means 4. When it is 4, it's going to this condition. Now 4 less than or equal to 10. Okay, 4 less than or equal to 10. When 4 less than or equal to 10, so the condition is true. When this condition is true, it comes to here. Okay, when it comes to here, the value of x will be 4. Okay, 4 will print in the next line. Okay, when it is going to print in the next line, next it will x will is going to come to here one more time. Now 4 is going to increment by 1 one more time. Okay, 4 is going to increment by 1 one more time. So the value 4 increment by 1, that becomes 5. When it is become 5, here 5 less than or equal to 10. Okay, when it is become 5 less than or equal to 10, 5 less than or equal to 10. When it is 5 less than or equal to 10, it comes to here. Okay. Anyway, condition is true. It comes to here and it is going to print the value 5. Make sure here every line e- every every time it is going to print in the new line, not in the same line, because print first time it is printing means in the second iteration it is going to print in the different line. So in order to print in the same line, we have a attribute called end attribute. Okay, in the last session I have explained when I am explaining print statement, output statement. Okay, here my target is I want to print 1 to 10 numbers in this way, so that's why I'm printing in this way. Okay, so in this way up to 5 iterations are happened, right? So in the same way 6 7 8 9 10 also will come. Okay, suppose assume that 10 is printed. Okay, 10 is printed, 10 is printed and 10 increment by 11, 10 increment by 11. When 10 increment by 11, what it will do here, 10 sorry 11 less than or equal to 10. Okay, x value will be increment by 11, 11 less than or equal to 10. Okay, 11 less than or equal to 10 means condition is false. Okay, when the condition is false, so up to what numbers are printed, 1 to 10. Okay, these are going to will get the output. Okay, these are going to get the output. Okay, if you want, observe the output now. Python tester.py, we are getting right. If you want, if you want, observe the iteration also. Okay, if you want, how 1 less than or equal to 10, 2 less than or equal to 10 means in this way it is going to happen actually. I will write the code also. Print first what it is doing, first x. Okay, x comma, it is nothing but every argument should be separated by comma. Okay, variable number of arguments I have explained in the output statements. Okay, see here why I'm writing this line means just I'm showing you the iterations. Here I've explained the iterations, right? 10 iterations, so that's iterations I'm going to explain. X less than or equal to, x less than or equal to 10. Okay, x less than or equal to 10, less than or equal to 10. Here here x less than or equal to 10. Now observe here, see here every iteration 1 less than or equal to 10. Okay, 1 less than or equal to 10, I will give you the clarity. Okay, mm, let me combine to x. Next here what it is doing, x less than or equal to 10, x less than or equal to 10, it's going to print the result now. If I give in this way you may get confused, but here I am showing because in this way iterations are happening. Okay, I want to feel, I want you to feel how the iterations are happening. See here first 1 less than or equal to 10 means true. Okay, that's why 1 is printed. Okay, okay, let me write this line at the first, then you will get clarity. Observe here, first 1 less than or equal to 10, true. Okay, that's why 1 is printed. 2 less than or equal to 10 means true. So true is printed. 3 less than or equal to 10, true. 4 less than or equal to 10, 5 less than or equal to 10. In that way, if you observe here, 10 less than or equal to 10. Okay, 10 less than or equal to 10 means true. Okay, 10 is printed. Next time 10 incremented by 11. Okay, 10 incremented by 11. That time it condition is false. Okay, that time condition is false. That's why we didn't see the result. Okay, if you want to see the result, I will show you the result also. See, can you please show me that one also means 11. You want to feel the difference of 11 means so now you will feel the difference 11. If you see here, 11 less than or equal to 10 means false. Okay, when false is means up to 10 only printed but 11 is not came because at this stage only condition get false. Okay, so in this way while loop is going to execute. Okay, so while loop is nothing but if we want to execute group of statements iteratively until the some condition is false, then we should go for while loop. Okay, next next what I'm doing, program to print sum of first and numbers. Okay, program to print first n numbers. Okay, program to print first n numbers. Okay, that means if I give 3, if I give 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 6. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 6. Okay, I want to get this one as the output. If I give 3, input 3, output should be 6. Okay, so for that we have to write a program. Now observe here, I'm writing the program for that one. What I'm doing first, I'm reading n is equal to number. Int n is equal to int of input of enter number. Okay, enter number, enter number. So I want to print a sum of print first and numbers, right? So for that what I am doing, I need one special variable. A sum is equal to 0. Next what I am doing, 1 sorry I is equal to 1. Okay, I is equal to 1 means because it starts from 1 until it reaches n. Okay, until it reaches n. That means i while I less than or equal to I less than or equal to n. 1 less than or equal to, in that way it is going to print. Okay, now what I am doing here, sum plus, okay, sum plus is equal to I, sum plus is equal to I. Next I'm incrementing the value of I plus is equal to 1. Okay, incrementing the value of I plus is equal to 1. I plus is equal to 1. Now what is doing here is, first it is going to check 1 less than or equal to the number what you given. It's going to check. So if it is not, if it is true, it's going to come here sum is equal to sum plus I, means 0 plus first 1. Okay, in that way it is going to add every time. Okay, finally what the result we will get, print sum of first n numbers, sum of first n numbers. Okay, in order to print that one also means first n numbers is comma sum. Now observe the output. 3 I'm giving. 3 I'm giving. First sum of first three numbers is 6. Okay, expected output we are getting, right? If I give 5, 15. If I give 10, 55. Okay, sum of first n numbers. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 in this way. Okay, so just try to observe the behavior. Okay, try to observe the behavior based on which I have explained for the while loop. You will get the clarity. Okay, if you are having any questions on this how the iterations are happening, please post your comment in the comment section so that I will explain how it is happening. Okay, I will how it will happening, I will explain if you are having any questions. Okay, thank you, friends. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID. Okay. Thank you, friends. If you are watching for the channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel.